Service in La Crosse. A warning for northeastern Howard County in northeastern Iowa, northern Winneshiek County in northeastern Iowa, western Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota, until 8:45 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar estimated over 2 inches of rain has already fallen in a few areas. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Thunderstorms are moving very slowly and could produce an additional 2 inches of rainfall over the next few hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Preston, Spring Valley, Spring Grove, Harmony, Houston, Mabel, Lanesboro, Lime Springs, Wyckoff, Fountain, Kenton, and Fillmore. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Fillmore and Houston, and the following counties in Iowa, Howard and Winneshiek. Strong thunderstorm is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county, Fayette, Iowa.
Stand or sit. Decisions. The Live Ride with Johnny Stone.
He's going right now.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Winneshiek County in northeastern Iowa until 7:15 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Providence to near Lawler to near Wacoma, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fort Atkinson and Spillville around 6:35 p.m. Calmar around 6:40 p.m. Austin around 6:55 p.m. Decorah around 7 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Costilia, Jackson Junction, State Road 9 and 245th Street, Festina, and Frankville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county, Winneshiek, Iowa. Northeastern Iowa until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending.
Oh yeah, she still works.
Calmar to near Austin, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Postville around 7 p.m. Walk-on around 7:20 p.m. Lansing around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Hardin, Waterville, Hanover, County Roads of 52 and X52 and Volney. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county, Allamucky, Iowa.
Leg. Okay.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clayton County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near West Union to near Fairbank, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Volga around 8:15 p.m. Elkiter, Postville, Farmersburg, Monona, and Strawberry Point around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Luana, North Buena Vista, Street, Orof, Garber, and Osternick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alameda County in northeastern Iowa until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southwest of New Albin to 8 miles west of Lansing to near Waukon, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lansing around 7:45 p.m. Harper's Ferry around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Hardin, Waterville, Hanover, County Roads of 52 and X52 and Volney. This warning extends the previous warning. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Alameda, Iowa. Waterville, Hanover, County Roads of 52 and X52 and Volney. This warning extends the previous warning. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Alameda, Iowa. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 167, effective until 2 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following county: Crawford, Wisconsin. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Trempealeau, Wisconsin. In La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Jackson County. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jackson County in west central Wisconsin, northwestern Monroe County in west central Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blair, 13 miles southeast of Whitehall, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Franklin, Irving, Melrose, Taylor, and Shamrock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Jackson, and Monroe.
For your room on the lowest floor of a building.
Until 6:30.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Jackson, and Monroe.
Flood warning has been issued until 8:45 a.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Buffalo, and Trempealeau. A.m. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a flash flood warning for southern Clark County and central Wisconsin, northwestern Jackson County, and west central Wisconsin until 7:30 a.m. At 4:36 a.m., local law enforcement reported several roads with water over them across southern Clark County. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bealsville, Loyal, Fairchild, Price, Humbird, Lynn, Levi, Granton, Highway 73 and 98, Wildcat Mound, Tioga, Christie, Highway 10 and Ball Peak Road, Globe, Chili, Hog Corners, Highway 10 and 12, Chili Corners, Viefkin, and Sydney. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Clark, and Jackson.
The National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, especially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming. At 11 a.m. at La Crosse, it was
Connington, Laker, Kilmer, Ellis, Allen, Left County Park, Hobart, and Wilcom. Warning faces the warning already affects the portions of Marathon and counties. Prepare immediately for large and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Marathon, and Wood. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clayton County in northeastern Iowa, Grant County in southwestern Wisconsin, southwestern Richland County in southwestern Wisconsin, central Crawford County in southwestern Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Boscobel to near Cassville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Boscobel around 5:50 p.m. Platteville and Muscatine around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Westport, Excelsior, Preston, Bridgeport, and B-Town. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Crawford, Grand and Richland, and Clayton, Iowa. Tennessee. The preceding signal was a test of NOAA radio station WXK-47, broadcasting from Holston Mountain, near Elizabethton, Tennessee. During potentially dangerous weather situations, this broadcast will send a signal to activate weather radios in the threatened area. These radios may be activated for other non-weather emergencies as well, such as hazardous chemical spills and Amber Alerts. The weather radio alerting system is tested weekly, with the tests normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is an ongoing weather event, the test may be postponed to the next available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast can be degraded for one or more of the following reasons. Your radio is located 30 or more miles from the broadcast antenna, or the signal is partially blocked by hills or buildings. If your radio is not reacting to this test, or the voice on the radio is not clear, you can try relocating the radio to another room. You need to ensure your weather radio gets a good signal so it will activate during threatening weather events. This weather radio broadcast services the following counties in Tennessee: Carter, Cock, Greene, Hancock, Hawkins, Johnson, Sullivan, Unicoi, and Washington. In Virginia, Lee, Russell, Scott, Smith, Washington, and Wise. And in North Carolina, Ashe, Avery, Madison, Mitchell, Watauga, and Yancey. And now your 7-day forecast.
The required weekly test.
Today, most... This is the National Weather Service. Weather radio station WXK-46, broadcasting from Sharpsburg in Knoxville, Tennessee. During potential... the signal to activate weather radios in the threatened area. These radios may be activated for other non-weather emergencies as well, such as hazardous chemical spills and Amber Alerts. The weather radio alerting system is tested weekly, with a test normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is an ongoing weather event, the test may be postponed to the next available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast can be degraded for one or more of the following reasons. Your radio is located... Signal is partially blocked by hills or buildings. If your radio is not reacting...
Yeah, let's not use a
or the voice on the radio is not clear, you can try relocating the radio to another room. You need to ensure your weather radio gets a good signal so it will activate during threatening weather events. This weather radio broadcast services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Blunt, Campbell, Claiborne, Cox, Granger, Chamberlain, Jefferson, Knox, Loudoun, Monroe, Morgan, Roane, Scott, Sevier, and Union. Service Office at Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL 56's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL 56, broadcasting west of Asheville on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Avery, Buncombe, Burke, Haywood, Henderson, Jackson, McDowell, Madison, Mitchell, Polk, Rutherford, Transylvania, and Yancey. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards to an Alert test. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards WXL 56 broadcasting from the WLOS Tower on Mount Pisgah, operating on a